everybody, what's up? It's your girl Miss Nisi back again with another video. And if you're new here, welcome. I post travel, lifestyle, and motivational content. So if that's something that you're interested in, definitely feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. Or if you're interested in just viewing me, like you can also just, watch my videos too, just to see me. Alright. Also, if you're a returning member, welcome back, my god and goddess. Welcome back. As y'all can tell by the title of this video, I'm going to be reorganizing my studio suite. I just moved in for the semester and I purchased some items to decorate. I don't have too much, but I just kind of wanted to decorate a little bit and make the place feel more homey, and yeah, and just clean it up some. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to show you guys the before and after. Also be mindful, I am creating this video for y'all, my returning babies and all my new subscribers out there. I'm creating for motivational purposes, so if there's something that you guys need to reorganize or clean, then let's do it together. Studies have shown if you have a clean space, if you reorganize your space, you're able to kind of change the energy in your room, which can foster concentration and creativity, and overall it just increases your mood. So why not increase your mood and increase concentration and change the energy and make everything look pretty like me, like you. Let's just get started, y'all. Okay, y'all, so this is all of the Amazon items that I purchased for the room. I have my other pillow here that I need to put on my pillowcase. And then there's a curtain here, some curtain lights. There's my rug and my blanket is there. And there's also a stove because the studio didn't come with a stove, so I had to get like a stove top. And then I have my nice little chalkboard right here. And then starting from the top, y'all, this is basically the before and after. So this is what everything looks like right now. I have some trash and everything on top of the counters. It's pretty boring so far. I just bought this pan because I just got the stove top today. And then I have some clothes here in the corners. We're gonna be cleaning that up as well. Say hi to my guitar. I know my sister's gonna comment this video and be like, whose guitar is that again? It's mine, huh? Anyways, this is also my bed right now. So it's low-key ghetto right now. My foam mattress is also coming tomorrow. So I had to make this video for y'all because I have to get it up and start editing already. So I didn't have time to get the foam mattress. But when it comes, I'm gonna put it on the bed. However, I'm just gonna make the bed in general so y'all can see. But yeah, I have clothes there, so we're gonna clean that up. And then over here is my office space. As y'all can see, it's just disorganized. Kind of have some stuff everywhere. This is from my sorry, this is my ADD, apologies. But other than that, as y'all can see, I started decorating a little bit. So I have my candles up and things like that. But it's just gonna look so much better when I start putting up the lights and everything, and when I clean up this space.
Through drought and famine, natural disasters, my baby has been around for me. Kingdoms are falling, angels be calling. None of that could ever make me leave, yeah. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need, yeah. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it. Oh, daylight, I wake up feeling like you won't play right. I used to know, but now that shit don't feel right. You made me put away my pride. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So long, you made a play away for some. So long, you made it hard for a boy like that to go wrong. I'm wishing I could make this mine. Ooh, if you want it, yeah, you can have it, yeah. If you need it, yeah, we can make it alright. If you want it, said you can have it, but stay woke. Creepers creeping, yeah. Said they gon' find you, they gon' catch you sleeping. Ooh, but stay woke.
Alright guys, so I just finished the kitchen. It looks really nice already, even with the extra essentials that I had put up. I just love it. I think it looks super cute. And I also moved these candles, as y'all can tell, because they were over there by my office space, but I moved these candles over here because I just feel like it sets the setting and it sets the tone. And then this is my beautiful orchid. Leave it alone, she doesn't have flowers right now, but when her time comes, she will be reblooming. This was actually a keiki, which is like the baby leaf, and it grew out to be this huge leaf. So she's still alive, still growing. I'm just waiting for her to rebloom and get some new flowers. Don't throw away your orchids if you lose flowers. They're still alive and they come back. So that's it for the day. The next thing I'm going to do is put up the partitioner. So I think I'm going to start with unboxing the tension rod so I can put the curtain up on it, so I can go ahead and separate the kitchen from the bedroom, and then I'm going to sweep, and then the kitchen will pretty much be done. I'll be finished with that, and then we're gonna head over to my bedroom space and get all that figured out.
Close your eyes, yeah. Ooh, who would have thought I'd get you? Like summer, girl, you make me feel so alive. Yeah.
Alright y'all, as you can see, I was literally struggling for a minute now. I'm all sweaty, but yeah, it's not working. I think it's because of the type of material that the wall is. It's drywall basically, and I just realized I'm trying to put a tension rod on drywall. I'm really upset because this was supposed to be really cool, and I know y'all can kind of see the vision when I had it up. It's not staying. So I may have to, I don't know, I may have to put like some hooks or something in the wall. I don't know if I'm gonna do that because it's gonna take a lot to fill it back in before I move out. I just know that I want a divider up here, so something's gonna have to shake. I'm probably gonna call my dad and see if he has any ideas and some things that I can do, because I really want a divider. I really want a divider. I don't know, but I'm gonna go ahead and clean up my bedroom space and worry about the divider later, so let's go.
Girl, I got a question for you. Can I get an answer? Yeah, 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 yeah. Girl, I got a question for you. Can I get an answer? Yeah, 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 yeah. She only love me 'cause I'm dangerous. Ooh yeah, that boom boom something like angel dust. So gotta let me hold ya, put me things all around ya, make me feel like I owe ya, kill it boom like a warrior, get that boom like no letting go, no holding back, because you are my lady.
So I just finished making my bed, but as I was making the bed, it hit me that I didn't even wash my bed sheets yet, and that's disgusting. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like, but I'm going to hurry up and wash them, especially because it's also wrinkly, and I don't really like how that's looking right now. It needs to look more fluffy. If it doesn't get fluffier, I might take it back, because on the freaking pictures it looked really fluffy, and that's why I purchased it. But also, I thought I had 4 pillows, and turns out I only have 3, which is messing up my aesthetic, because I have another pillowcase that looks like this. It's like this bohemian pillowcase with the little balls on the end. It's super cute. Looks like this one, but I was supposed to have another pillow so I could put that inside the pillowcase, but I don't see my other pillow, so I must have left it at home. But yeah, I'm about to wash and dry it right now because I'm not sleeping on that, especially I don't know where it came from. I really don't sleep underneath my covers anyway. I just sleep on top of my covers, and I use my blankie, my purple blankie. And then I've just been throwing a whole bunch of stuff over here, but no worries, I'm going to pick all of this up, obviously, and then I'm going to sweep all of this area. It hasn't even been that long for real. I think I started around 3:30. No, I probably started around 3 o'clock. It's only 5:12, so it's been about 2 hours, which isn't bad. And by the way, I'm also missing some decorations. I still have to go to Five Below and put like some type of light right here, and then I'm also going to put a light by the kitchen. I'm thinking about those cute neon lights. It says like love, care. I don't know, just something to make these areas kind of pop. Anyways, I'm almost done, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish and wrap up this video.
When I'm with you, it's all of that. Give me one that feel all the up. Put me arms right around you. Girl, you give me the tightest hold me ever get in my life. Give me one that feel squeezy up. Put me arms right.
I just finished cleaning up the hallway and the kitchen area. The only thing that's left is this rug, so I can lay it down. And I'm also waiting for my bed sheets to get out of the washer and dryer. And now I'm gonna go ahead and do my curtain lights. I'm trying to figure out where I want to hang them up though. I was thinking around, I was gonna put them around the perimeter of the window. But now I'm considering putting it by like my office space area, because I think that would be a really nice way to illuminate that vibe over there. So let me see how long they are. It says 5 feet. Oh, okay, that's a pretty good length, y'all. It's literally the size of me. I'm 5'1" now. So I'll get that extra inch. This is pretty much done though. I'm thinking about putting it around this window right here, or I was considering right by my office space, but it's right adjacent. If I put it over the window, they will be adjacent to the office space, so I think it will still kind of illuminate that area regardless. So yeah, I think I'm gonna put it over my window because I just feel like they're supposed to be there.
Girl, you give me the tightest hold me ever get in my life. Girl, let me hold you, come caress my body. You got me going crazy. You turn me on, baby. Let me love you. Put your arms around me. You got me going crazy. Turn me on, yeah. Girl, I got a question for you. Can I get an answer? Yeah. 'Cause girl, I got a question for you. Can I get an answer?
Alright y'all, that's the end of my video. This wraps it up. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. I hope that I motivated you to clean up your room, declutter it, or if it's not a room, I hope it's a kitchen, an area that you've been trying to get to for a minute. Or even if you put it on your calendar, you're 10 steps ahead of somebody else, because that means that now you're going to get to it when that day comes. Okay, I'm proud of you. Let's do it. Also, if you guys were cleaning up with me or decluttering or reorganizing, whatever you were reorganizing, definitely feel free to drop it down in the comments down below. Let me know so I can see like what I encourage and motivate you to clean. Just knowing that I inspired somebody out there makes me feel good. So help me help you. Let's give back to each other. Okay, reciprocation. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on the notification bell. Miss Nisi is out. Love me, but love yourself first. Okay, until next time, my gods and goddesses, my new incoming viewers, subscribers, let's get to it. Let's remain happy. Let's clean. Let's stay positive.